That was wedged between the arms?
Yes. Taking out a pine cone.
Well, you can't really turn if there's a pine cone in your steering rack. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking the Touareg out for its first run. We are heading to Big Bear. Me and a few of the guys want to try to test it out. For the last week in Southern California, it's been raining, like not even like Southern California raining. It's been like Portland raining. So we are expecting a lot of mud. And initially, I was just gonna bring the Touareg up here. It's been a week since I've had it. I was just gonna bring it up here and see how it does. You know, do kind of like a baseline run. But unfortunately, because there's so much mud, I decided to put at least tires on here. So I went ahead and got a set of Ko2s for this thing. Now, the stock size was 255, 55, 18, and I decided to upgrade a little bit. The size that I put on here is a 275, 65, 18. It fits on here with no problems. I did not have to cut anything or you know, bend anything back. So far it's rub free even at the sports setting. I've had this guy for a week and I am genuinely enjoying the Touareg. Just the ease of use, all the you know, semi-modern amenities like the sunroof, the heated seats, the xenon lights, all that stuff is just like a good change from the Land Cruiser. Driving manners, it's very, very similar to any European car that you've driven. So it actually reminds me a lot of my E46 BMW. And yeah, so far I haven't had any issues with the Touareg, minus the stuff that I mentioned before, which is the leaky valve cover gasket and the headlight harness that still need to be addressed. So we're almost at the trailhead, so it's time to air down and jack up the air suspension. So right now I have the Touareg set on comfort mode. Now what that does, it raises the suspension slightly compared to where it was in auto mode, where it just does whatever it does for the street driving. So I have maybe about like a ½ inch, 3/4 inch of extra ground clearance compared to before. It's not really hairy yet. When it does, I can raise it a little bit more if we need to, so we shall see. So first obstacle, we've just arrived at this gigantic puddle. We will see if the Touareg will make it through. It doesn't look too deep, and I've been instructed to go fast. So we'll see what happens. Okay, for this next part, it's a big ditch downhill. The Touareg doesn't have enough flex, so we're gonna have to compromise. I'm gonna have to put it in full lift mode right now, so the extra mode. Hopefully it still works.
Good, Jake.
straighten it out, Jake. You good? Easy.
That's easy. Yeah. Straight. You're dropping down now. You're good. Has a lot of clearance actually. Jeez.
I'm so scared.
Just straight, John. After that boulder, go toward driver. I mean, sorry, passenger.
You're up on the rock, that's why. There you go, keep it. Okay? Keep it straight.
Straight, you're about to drop, you're about to dip. Yeah, you're good, you got enough tire. Keep going, passenger. Yep. You're gonna turn hard right.
What was that, Drew?
I think you'll be okay.
Looks like a pretty steep uphill. Ooh, the 80 is slipping a little bit. Oh, that's not good. Nope, too much steering. Okay, so the 80 made it up there with a lot of momentum. He didn't have any diff lockers, but here we go.
Punch it. Push it. More, John. More.
That was pretty easy. I believe it's the last obstacle here is a puddle, and we've gone through a lot of puddles so far, but this one's pretty deep.
I'm kind of worried about John. Yeah, you're good now.